friends, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you some most important MCQ of chapter the last lesson. Okay, I have already uploaded the explanation of this chapter. दो पार्ट में एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने अपलोड किया है, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हो. इसमें मैं MCQs बताऊँगी जो कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपके एग्ज़ाम्स को देख के, क्योंकि आपके एग्ज़ाम्स आने वाले हैं, शुरू होने वाले हैं. सबके स्कूल्स में फर्स्ट पीरियडिक एग्ज़ाम शुरू होने वाले हैं, तो ये ज़रूर आएंगे, MCQs आएंगे, तो आप लोग यहाँ से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो आराम से. तो इसमें बेसिकली मैं 15 MCQs बताने वाली हूँ आपको, और मैं हर क्वेश्चंस पढ़ने के बाद उसके बाद में मैं ऑप्शंस पढ़ूँगी. ऑप्शंस पढ़ने के बाद कुछ सेकेंड्स का आपको टाइम मिलेगा, आप सोच सकते हो उतनी देर में अपना आंसर तो मैं लास्ट में बताऊंगी, लेकिन आप खुद सोच सकते हो जिससे कि आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए MCQ सॉल्व करने की. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फ्रेंड्स लुक्ड फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू स्किप स्कूल टू डू व्हाट. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है वर्क ऑन मिल्स, सेकेंड है गो फिशिंग, थर्ड है वाटर द प्लांट्स, and the fourth is collect bird eggs. Let me give you some seconds to think. Okay, इतनी देर में आपने सोच लिया होगा. अब मैं आपको आंसर बताती हूँ, सही आंसर बताती हूँ. सही आंसर है इसका collect bird eggs. ओके, तो हम अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. Second question, what was Franz banking on to enter the class as he was late? Okay, the first option is M. Hamill's teaching on the blackboard. Second option is commotion in the class. Third option is Hauser helping him sneak in. And the fourth one is to quietly walk in when everyone was preoccupied with participles. Okay. Okay, so I'm giving you some time to think. Okay, now let me tell you the correct answer. So the correct answer is commotion in the class. Second option is correct. Commotion in the class. Okay, so moving on to the third question. What did Hamill blame himself? Why did Hamill blame himself? So the first option is not having taught them enough French, B, not being strict, C, giving student a holiday at times, and D, not being responsible. So giving you some seconds to think. Okay, let's see the correct option. So the correct option is giving students a holiday at times. Okay, so now moving on to the fourth question. Who sat on the back bench on the last lesson? Back bench on the last lesson. So the first option is Franz, second is Prussians, C, the village people, and D, new teacher. So what do you think? Okay, you can skip the video to see the correct option. If you don't want to think it yourself, you just want to see the correct answer, then you can skip the video, but let me give you some time. So the correct option is the village people. C, the village people. Okay, now moving on to the fifth one. What was M. Hamill going to question Franz about? A, participles, B, adjectives, C, old primer, D, a lesson of history. Some seconds. So the correct option is participles. Okay, participles. Now moving on to the sixth question. For the last 2 years, where did all the bad news come from? The first option is the bulletin board. Second, town hall. Third, school. And fourth, M. Hamill's house. Think it yourself first. So the correct option here is the bulletin board. Okay, let's proceed. 7. Don't go so fast. You will get to your school in plenty of time means A. Getting late. B. Very early. C. Not early. D. Early enough. So have some time. So the correct option is D. Early enough. Okay, so let's proceed. 8. What did Mr. Hamill bring for his class on his last day in the school? A. New pens. B. New notebooks. C. Sweets. D. Storybooks. Okay, let's think. So the correct option is D. No, the correct option is B. New notebooks. Sorry. And let's proceed. 9. Why did the villagers come to meet M. Hamill in the school? A. To complain. B. To say goodbye. C. To gossip. D. To show gratitude. Okay, have some time. So the correct option is D. To show gratitude. Towards whom? Towards M. Hamill for his 40 years of faithful service. Okay, so moving on to 10th one. Why was Franz surprised? A. Because of village elders. B. Because of police patrolling. C. Because of students' behavior. D. Because of M. Hamill's kind and polite behavior. Think. So the correct option here is D. Because of M. Hamill's kind and polite behavior. Okay, moving on to 11th question. What did Franz find on reaching the school? Options. A. People were dancing. B. School was closed. C. Police patrolling. D. Strange quietness. Let's think. So the correct option here is D. Strange quietness. Okay. 12. The story, The Last Lesson, highlights which human tendency? A. Male chauvinism. C. Procrastination. C. Courage. D. Cowardice. Okay. Cowardice means kayarta. Okay. So the correct option here is procrastination. Okay, the 13th one. M. Hamill is introduced as a rule-wielding teacher. This demonstrates that A. He is concerned. B. He is adamant. C. He is unfeeling. D. He is a hard task master. Okay, let's think. So the correct option here is he is a hard task master. Okay, so let's get started. 14. Franz thinks, will they make them sing in German, even the peasants? What could this mean? A. German would use brutal force over everyone. D. Harsh orders will be passed. C. When people are deprived of their essence, even the surroundings are affected. मैंने ये आपको चैप्टर में भी बताया है कि जब किसी की लैंग्वेज पे कोई बाधा आ जाती है तो सारी सराउंडिंग्स इफ़ेक्ट होती हैं Okay, and D is Germans will rob France of its language. Okay, let's think. So the correct option is C. When people are deprived of their essence, even the surroundings are affected. This is the correct option. Okay, let's proceed. 15. What does M. Hamill's motionless poster reflect? A. School is dismissed. B. Sense of finality. C. Changing order of life. D. Feeling of nostalgia. So, what do you think? Okay, think. So, the correct option here is not the school is dismissed. यहाँ पे बहुत लोग लगाएंगे school is dismissed. ओके क्योंकि वो कोई गेस्चर सिर्फ उन्होंने गेस्चर किया था, उन्होंने कुछ बोला नहीं था, तो बहुत लोग यहाँ पे समझेंगे ऐसा कि स्कूल इज़ डिसमिस्ड भी हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे स्कूल इज़ डिसमिस्ड नहीं है. यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सेंस ऑफ फाइनैलिटी. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारा ये MCQ जो है ख़त्म हो रहा है. और थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा, वरना कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा. ओके, थैंक यू, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.